Okay, so this is how you go about getting the CallMyDoc desktop app. You go to the Microsoft Store and you put in CallMyDoc and search. Click on it, and then you click on install. Okay, now after it's downloaded, you click on open. It will come up on your screen. Then you put in your username, password, and PIN code, and you're in. That's how it works.